In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple website domains to Siteground. If you've been contemplating expanding your online presence by managing more than one domain, Siteground provides you with a user-friendly interface to make this process seamless. Stick around as we walk through the steps to get your additional domains set up and ready to go. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to the Siteground website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL, which is in the form of world.siteground.com. Once you land on the homepage, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on that. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Siteground dashboard. This is your hub for all things related to your Siteground account. From here, find the section or tab labeled My Siteground Account. This section gives you access to various features and functions you can tweak to enhance your hosting experience. Once you're in the My Siteground account section, look for a tab or menu item that says Services. Clicking on Services will take you to a new page where you manage different aspects of your Siteground services. Among the different options listed, you should see an option for domains. Click on Domains to proceed. Now you're in the domain management area. This is where you can see all the domains currently associated with your Siteground account. To add a new domain, your next step is to find and click on the button or link saying Add New Domain. This will initiate the process of integrating a new domain into your account. After clicking Add New Domain, you'll be guided through the necessary steps to input your domain details and confirm the addition of your new domain. This process typically involves entering the domain name you wish to add and possibly choosing or verifying some domain-specific settings. Siteground's user interface is designed to be intuitive, so you should find it straightforward to navigate these details. Remember, every time you add a new domain, you are expanding your digital footprint, providing more ways for people to find you or your business online. It's also a good idea to double check all your entries to ensure correctness before finalizing any changes. Managing multiple domains effectively requires attention to detail, and investing that little extra time when setting up can save you potential headaches later on. And there you have it. Once you've completed these steps, you'll be all set with multiple domains linked to your Siteground account, ready to serve whatever web presence needs you have. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.